am I to blame you for having what you feel? I was always wishing you were just a girl I knew. I took for granted the friend I have in you. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking a